Hello everyone, and welcome back to another update video from LazyPublisher. In this video we're going to dive back into the Manage section, because since our last video quite a bit has changed and developed here. There are now quite a few new features that have been added, and I'd like to introduce them to you in this video. First and foremost, we'll be looking at the Actions column right here. Here, for each ASIN, you'll find a direct link to view the item immediately on the Amazon Marketplace. You also get a link that takes you straight to the Edit section of your bookshelf. Another new feature is the Tags column. Here you can now add your own tags to your ASIN, which might allow you to filter them more effectively later on. For example, if you have a collaboration with someone, or if you want to enter the genre for the book here, that's now quick and easy to do. We also see the Status section here. From this point, we can now filter by live, draft, blocked, or in review. Additionally, the series column has been added. If you have grouped your books into a series, then that name will appear here and you can easily filter by it. An Excel export has also been added. Here you can download your entire library or specific filtered items and then process them in Excel. Also, as promised in the last video, all ASINs that have never had a sale are now in the Manage section. This way you can filter out where you haven't sold certain ASINs yet, for example. But now let's take it step by step. So Actions, as I said, has two links, one to the Amazon Marketplace and one to the Edit section of the bookshelf. But I don't need to show you that separately now. Then we'll move over to the text area. Here it's very simple. Either you simply type a word in here and press Enter. So that's now effectively stored in the system and you can now filter for it. Alternatively, you can simply select multiple items all at once and then assign tags to them, as we're demonstrating here. Add tag to selection. Then we click right here on this, and we have the option to either select an already existing tag from the list, or we can simply add a brand new one. Let's take that one along with the others. And so these specific entries have now been successfully stored and are available here, allowing us to very simply once more apply a filter based on these two criteria. Next, we have the status here. As I've mentioned before, we can simply determine if there are books that are still in review, perhaps blocked, in draft mode, or already live, and then we just click right here. And the entire perspective changes. With series, it's precisely the same situation. Here, all we have to do is simply type in the name of the series, and then it will be filtered based on that entry. If we, for example, want to do an Excel export now, it's like this. If we click on Export All, then a list with all your books will be downloaded. Or, for example, if we only want to download one marketplace, then we can filter by that. So, exactly your filtered selection will be downloaded. Here you see Export Filtered or Export All. You can also, like separately, just select any ASINs here and then, as it were, export selected. And if you click on this, then the Excel is prepared and then it's simply downloaded. So these are actually already the most important new features. And with that, from our side, the Manage section is now complete. We are already working diligently on our next update, which will entirely revolve around the topic of Amazon advertising. So if you don't want to miss out on anything, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and have a lot of fun using our tool, LazyPublisher. So until next time, bye.